Once upon a time, in a village by the name of Namek, there lived a little girl with a big heart and even bigger dreams. This wasn't just any ordinary village, it was a place where dreams took root, nurtured by the imagination and courage of its inhabitants. One day, the king on his travels came upon a beautiful tree in the village and was so taken by its majesty that he decided to transport it to his palace. With the tree now standing tall in the royal courtyard, the king made an announcement that would forever change the course of our young dreamer's life. The king declared, "Whoever brings me the most beautiful flower from this tree will receive a grand reward." The little girl, Namek, decided to take up this challenge. She wanted to fulfill her dreams and saw this as her golden opportunity. Venturing towards the tree, Namek plucked the most beautiful flower she could find and presented it to the king. The king, taken aback by the beauty of the flower